at night as we roll past hills of light, pale candy trees and rain.